Hello friends. Today we are going to see the Kim Go Eun's movies and drama you should watch and you should definitely enjoy. On number 6 we have a Muse. A Muse, which is also called as a Eun Gyo, is a South Korean movie. This movie was the first on-screen role for Kim Go Eun, and this movie was critically acclaimed movie. After the release of this movie, Kim Go Eun became the center of media talks. In this movie, she is 17-year-old high school student. She begins to work as a part-time house cleaner for a national respected poet whose name is Lee Jeok-yo. Lee Jeok-yo is a very silent person, 70 years old by age, and never find joy in himself and only doing his job and enjoying his simple life, but not enjoying seriously, just living a simple job, simple life. But after the Yoon-gyo, a girl which is played by the Kim Go-yoon, joins the job at his home, he starts to live his life having more fun and starts to enjoy his life. And he changed completely after being in a company with her. The poet has an assistant whose name is Seo Ji Woo, who is 30 years of old. His assistants also leave. His assistant also come to his home to learn the writing, the poet writing, and the poet began to write the story of a sexual relationship of an old man with a young woman, and he started to write the book on his because he was begins the love feelings for Yungo. But later he find out that she is having the physical relationship with his young assistants and he sees both of them making out with each other and get disturbed and again become the silent person as before, and then his assistant steal his story of which he was writing. And what happened next, go and watch this movie and you will really love this movie. It is a very well made movie and the acting of Kim Go Yoon is also very incredible. On number 5 we have Coin Locker Girl. This is a 2015 South Korean movie. It is a thriller movie. The movie is based on 1980 Japanese novel Coin Locker Babies. In this movie, a newborn baby is abandoned in a coin-operated locker in subway station. Later on, the girl is sold off to a woman and raised by that woman who is called as a mother, and this woman is the boss of Loan Shark Group, and she is raised by thieves and debt collectors. Now 18 years Yi Young carry out mission which mission is given by her mother to her, and she is exposed to the world that everyone calls normal. She is given a mission by her mother who raised her, and what is the mission and how she carried out. Go and watch this movie and what happened next when she exposed to the new world which is totally opposite to that, and what happened next will blow your mind. Go and enjoy this thriller suspense movie. On number 4 we have Monster. After Muse, Kim Go Yoon decided to take a break from acting, and she took 2 years break to complete her college degree. And then she returned on screen in 2014, acting in thriller movie called Monster. In this movie, we see the Kim Go Yoon. She has been shown her acting versatility, and she has proven that how good actress she is. Movie story follows a girl named Bok Soon, which is played by Kim Go Yoon, lives with her younger sister and she runs a street stand. Bok Soon is slow and silent girl, but when people make her angry, she becomes crazy as she is a developmentally disabled girl, and that's why all people call her crazy woman. In this movie, she has played a psychotic disabled woman. One day, a cold-blooded killer, Tae-soo, appears in front of her, and to hide his secret, he kills the Boksun young sister. And then the Boksun goes after the Tae-soo for revenge, but Tae-soo goes after the Boksun. And so this is a really thrilling movie, and also the acting played by Kim Go Yoon is such amazing. Go and watch this movie and you will surely see the different acting skill of a Kim Go Yoon from her other dramas, which in this she has played a disabled girl, and the role she has played will blow your mind. On number 3, we have Cheese in the Trap. This is her first TV drama. Cheese in the Trap is the drama which is based on the webtoon of the same name. Kim Go-eun won the Baeksang Arts Award for Best New Actress Television for this drama. In this drama, there is a story of the relationship between the female university student girl name is Hong Seul, which is played by Kim Go-eun, and her senior boy Yoo Jung. The girl works as a part-timer due to her family poor background. And Yoo Jung is a good-looking boy, gets a good grades in school, and also athletic and a kind personality person. He is very handsome and charming and a cool boy, but he has a dark side which is secret from everyone. And what is the dark side and what is the secret behind that? You will come to know when you will watch this drama, and how dark side is revealed and how everything and the relationship between the Hong Seol and Yoo Jung changes with the time. Go and watch this beautiful and unique drama and you will definitely love this drama. This was the big hit drama when it was released and gained very much popularity, and it is a very comedy drama too. So it is not like a criminal or a suspense drama, it is a very comedy drama, a romance drama, and also the suspense drama. So don't miss this drama, it will make you laugh, smile, cry, angry, and also give you suspense. So it is a full package of entertainment. So go and enjoy the Cheese in the Trap. And don't in this drama she has been different from her previous movies, which we see the serious role, the thrill role, and in this she is very enjoying role. So go and give a chance to watch this drama. On number 2, we have Goblin. In Goblin, the Kim Shin, which is played by Gong Yu, is a decorated military general during the Goryeo dynasty who is betrayed by the jealous king, his son. The king is jealous of Kim Shin, and when the Kim Shin is faced with the death, instead of giving him the honor for his battle and his braveness, the god turns the Kim Shin into Goblin. The Goblin means a creature or a spirit who plays the tricks and a magic to interact with the human, and then the god turned him into the goblin and gave him a task to find the human bride so he can end this cursed and immortal life and can be happily released by his goblin duty. But when the goblin finally finds his bride, and this bride is played by Kim Go-eun, he suddenly realizes he wants to live and be with her forever and don't want to go back in the goblin world. The Goblin is a fantasy romance about a modern day goblin, and you are surely going to love this drama. And also, the acting of Gong Yoo and Kim Go Eun in this drama is just amazing. It has so many moments that will make you fall in love with this drama. Don't miss this drama. It was a big hit drama, and also it is still hit drama. If you still not watch this drama, so go and watch it, and you will really feel the superpower fantasy romance with the real feelings, and you will definitely going to this love this drama. The chemistry between them and the moments, the happy moment, the sad moment will make you happy and sad too, and will make you cry even, because there is many emotional scenes in this drama. So go and give a chance to this drama too. On number 1, we have the one and only The King, Eternal Monarch, and this is a 2020 drama. We all know this drama. In this, the Lee Gon, played by Lee Min-ho, a modern-day emperor of the Kingdom of Korea, is the third Korean emperor of his generation. His citizens regard him as a perfect leader, but behind this flawless appearance hides a deep wound. When he was 8 years old, his father was murdered in front of his eyes, and he is still not overcome from that incident, from that trauma, and he keep memorizing that scene, and he is not living his life as happy as he wants to. So instead of respecting his king duty, he preferred to escape from the palace to attend the university conferences. During one of his escape, he sees himself propelled into the parallel world, that is into the another world, where he meets the Jung Tae-yul, played by Kim Go-eun, and detective inspector with whom he teams up with to defeat the criminal but also close the door between the two parallel worlds. This is a superpower drama. This is a science fiction drama. You will definitely going to love this drama. and in all the process of defeating of the criminal and overcoming from all the incidents, these two grow a real feelings for each other, and how their love begins and became strong in such condition, and every moment here you will feel like a dream. Go and watch this drama and you are going to experience the seriously new thing and uniqueness in every moment. This is a very unique drama which I have seen in 2020. It is a romantic drama, it is a science fiction drama, it is a historical drama, it is a fantasy drama. So, and the acting of Kim Go Eun is so good that you will surely going to love it, and their chemistry is so good that we all know how big is and how popular this drama has been. And these two actors are being trained in media in recent news for their acting and also for their incredible chemistry. So go and watch all the drama, and especially the this drama, because this is a really worth watching drama. So go and watch all the drama, then a movie of a Kim Go Yoon that I have been mentioned you, and you will definitely going to see her in every drama. She's appear differently from previous one. She has shown her acting skill in every movie and every drama. So much variety she has been shown in her work. And because of all this, she is now one of the top Korean actress. And now I hope that you all like this video, and we will meet in new video. Till then, take care and enjoy every movie and every drama I have listed, because they are all worth watching. So till then, bye.